Hi, Trap. This is Natalie, and I appreciate you taking my question. I am in your Patreon group. So, I'm a day trader and scalper at heart, and I've also been studying the strategy that you teach us to do inside of the group. So, I want to say that my question is today I noticed that tech took a little bit of a hit, and these are the companies that I'm very familiar with trading. I love trading the big movers. I love trading Nvidia, Tesla, SPY, and Apple as of recently. However, those sectors were not being rewarded today. So, are there other sectors that I should be starting to familiarize myself, or small cap companies that I should be starting to familiarize myself with? So, when tech seems to be flat, I can be getting those plays instead. And if so, what would those companies be? Thank you.
All right, so yes, first of all, Queen, salute you because you are equipped and using the day trading game and using this, you're gonna be real dangerous for sure. For me, yes, there's a few things. So I do love. I've found a love for the pharmaceuticals, but you got to find the right one. So I like the Eli Lilly's. I like the Novo Nordises. Um, Bristol Myers depending, but not too crazy about it. Also, industrials. And watch this. I got a good one for you because I got a couple I've been looking at. Home builders. Home builders. Your Toll Brothers, poultry groups. Yo, check them out. Check that out. So pharmaceuticals, but for me, it's the Eli Lilly, it's the Novo Nordisk, but also industrials. But be mindful, make sure there's movers up in there. That's really good. But then check out the home builders. Also, American Express. I've been waiting to get into it because that's what I do too. I'll see if tech is slowing down, and if they slow down, I know where I want to pivot at. So check out American Express, really great company to look at. In energy, I wouldn't go Exxon or what you call it, but I would definitely look at CEG, definitely a good company. Cheniere, I think that's the name of it, if I'm not mistaken. So that's kind of like where I'm at when it that. So I hope I helped chart on that. But again, just to double back on it, pharmaceuticals, but I like the Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk. They move. They move the way you like it to move. A little further, I like home builders for sure. Home builders, you can't go wrong with them. It's crazy how they be moving. So I like that. Poultry Group has been good. Outside of Poultry Group, check out Toll Brothers, another really good one. So you can definitely live there. Small caps, I don't really trade them too much. I do like them buy and hold. The company that I did like was Malibu Boats, a company that I really was cool with. That'll be good for you. I also think you can go. I think you can go consumer in a way of it can move for you, but just you gotta watch. You're a day trader, so you'll love the pops that it makes. Skechers, Abercrombie, I think that's the name of it. Check some of those out. So you can go a few ways. Go back if you don't have the options masterclass. Go look at the cheat code I gave you inside of there on how to really dig into them. Go look into that cheat code, or go into the options masterclass. Autumn, what's good? Go inside the options masterclass. Yeah, I think you'll appreciate that. You'll appreciate that really, really good. But if not, I just gave you something real dope that you can check out outside of Apple. Yep, check out Deckers. Definitely one of the ones we love. You can definitely move with Crocs if you're going to day trade it, because that's a sweet play for you right there. Don't sleep on General Electric. That's one we've been playing with. You'll have a good time with that. Go into the XLY ETF. There's some plays for you up in there you can go into that'll really help you out. And I'm just top of my head showing you, what I feel. So, man, that was a great question, Queen. Let's clap for that Queen on that. Yep. I hope I helped y'all a lot, Queen Natalie B. I see you. Yep. So I think those are some good ways for you to, because we know that the market gonna switch up, right? Every now and then the market gonna switch up, and so we need ways where we can say, especially because you're a day trader too, so you like that pop. So that pop will help you out a lot because you just want to get in and get out. Slide over there, put them on your list, and I think one of the things that will be good for you as you start maneuvering, like, is being able to break your option plays up in your account and saying these are for trap strategies and these are the ones where I day trade on. And what happens is there are ways where you can make a watch list. Like you have the tech, you have the NVIDIA, the Tesla, the SPY. If you can add you about another 8 plays over there that are opposite of tech, that way you don't always have to go look for them. They already be there and you can be like, all right, tech is slowing down. Here's my 8 that I always got to go at. And the reason why I'm going in like that on that is because I'm always positioning myself for my next play. I'm always positioning myself for my next play in case this isn't working, right? And stick to your movers. Stick to your movers. Don't pivot. Stick to your movers, but find the ones, like, some of the ones we just named that'll help you. Look at FICO. I really love that one. I really love that. And as a day trader, that'll work great for you because it has a lot of price action into it, but it can be truly expensive on what we get, which is cool for the expense, but it don't have the volume I need in it and the open interest that I need in it. But as a day trader, you can take full advantage of FICO for sure. So love it, Queen. I hope I helped you out on that. I know it was a lot, but you asked me a great ass question. So I definitely always want to try to help out the way I can, man.
What's good, trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous. It's 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Listen, your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is if we help you to learn how to invest with confidence. Now listen, I get it. Like, you don't know a lot about stocks, or maybe you've heard people say how much money they lost in stocks, but I can guarantee you, 1, because they weren't in the community, and 2, they lack the information. Our goal in Trappers Anonymous is to help you, really to hold your hand on the journey to becoming a confident investor, learning how to navigate through the different events that the stock market goes through, to take you from panic to encouragement. There's no better time than now. This is an opportunity only for those who are willing to be on the journey. So listen, man, click the link below. Come join me in Trappers Anonymous, man. I will see you in one of our many classes, whether it's Moat Monday, whether it's the 2-hour class we do on Sunday, or whether it's just a book club. Everything is geared toward making you a better investor so you can triple your net worth and turn your last name to an asset. It's your boy, Wall Street Trapper. See you in the trap.